Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, today I did not post a video because it was someone's birthday. So today we are going back in our world. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have a lot of clay because I want to do trading at the village. So I think last time we went mining and I didn't find any diamonds yet. So my diamond pickaxe is almost broken, but we need to find that clay guy. I think he must be stocked on his trade. Yeah, right here, this clay guy. I maxed out him when he upgraded the price. I have 31 emeralds. Nice. Okay, we can get iron armor now. Yeah, we're gonna get iron armor. I think you guys may have known. I think I found more iron on the mining trip. I don't remember. I mined off camera, so that's why. I also got 10 bricks for like 1 emerald, which is, it's pretty good because I don't know how to make bricks even though I've been playing for 8 years. I can't seem to find home all the time, like I keep losing it. Shouldn't it be right here, right? Oh, here it is, yeah. Okay. Here's our house. Okay, I still have some clay left, so I'm gonna put it in this chest. We have a stack in 7 pieces. Oh yeah, we do have iron. And we do have coal, so. Okay, why are we smelting andesite? How weird. Okay. Iron, and let's get our armor. Okay. Boom. Boom. I don't know why I'm Alex. I don't like this skin. I want to be Steve. Ugh, I hate Alex. We have redstone. And we also have, I don't like chests in here. Oh, we also have this chest. I need to organize, because look at my diamond pickaxe is almost broken. Let's just smelt that. Put that in the thing. I like our house. I want to keep it. But I think I want to make a city, you know? Because like all this flat land for nothing is just crazy. So we're going to make a city. But we need a iron axe. Yes. Oh, we have one. It's in our inventory. Guys, what do you think if I should change it off peaceful mode? Because I think I want to turn it off. I don't think I should worry so much. Boom. 6 pieces. See, I have this iron axe because I had a leftover from, the house because it took like 5 axes, like 5 of them, and like they were iron, so that's why I have so many left over, because of the fact I just have more left. Okay. Oh, sapling. Put that back. We might get apples for golden apples, but we need a small gold, and boy do I not want to do that. They should make like a sheep farm too. I'm thinking about making a sheep farm for like wool projects, like guaranteed. Oh, yeah, I didn't finish the roof completely. I didn't have enough wood, but I made it look like I did. Okay, so now we just need to turn that. Oh. Get all that into wood, which is a decent amount of wood. I'm not gonna say a lot because I've had more wood. Okay, we need to get sticks, and then we need to get fences. We're gonna need like wool for the, you know what? Fences don't seem good. Do I have any wool in a chest? Nope. Nope. Why would there be wool in that? No. Wait. 3 plus 3, that'll be 34. Okay, well, since we don't have wool, I don't like hurting sheep right now. Oh. What? I just crafted a wooden sword. No, okay. Okay, I know what I need to do. This is what I was trying to go for. I'm so used to the Nintendo Switch controls, it's hard. Okay, let's just get some carpets. Of course, saplings. I didn't find them. It's already been 7 minutes. That's a lot of. It's been a long time, man. Okay, here's some sheep. It can last for 11 minutes. Hi, sheep. Oh, thank you, sheep. Thank you. I think I have wheat. Yeah, because I'm in a village. Of course I have wheat. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Arby, we have the meat. Okay. Do you think I can make it to block 1,000? Like, on this, coordinates? Okay. I think we can. We should. How much does it take to craft a carpet? Oh, just 2 white. Well, that is nice. Okay. And it comes with 3 carpets. Decent. We need to get more sticks for this, because this is going to be pretty big place. Oh. Okay. Oh. I haven't gone back to this in days. Is that not 42? I think 42 will be a good amount for right now, because I don't want to waste all my wood. Where should we start this? Right here? How big does this... I'm gonna stop like right here and then continue like this. Oh, we're already low. Oh crap, we are already low and with fences. Okay. That's a pretty big fence, if I'd say myself. It's gonna be called making a sheep farm or preparing to get a sheep farm if I don't make it in time. Oh, I need to cover this pond up. This sucks. Boom. Okay. Now we need to get more sticks. We can actually go steal from the village. Like, there's a sheep farm in here, but look how tiny it is. Okay, we got 1 minute left. I think we have enough time. And I didn't want to make like a fence that way if I open the door, the sheep will just come spilling out. So I don't want that. So I'm just not going to do the fence away because I don't have like millions of sheep, I guess. This video is going to be called Preparing. Like preparing. Like this village is awesome. I'm sure we can use them to make like a villager farm soon. Fun fact, though, the trap door up there where you can just like go in the trap door, I think came out in like 1.4. And you guys are still shocked by it. I don't even remember being shocked by it. Maybe like a year ago I figured it out. But I don't know, maybe it came out a year ago, the trap door where you could like go in the crawling position. But I think it came out in the ocean update, which is very long time ago. Like, very long. And I know it like it was yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video here. And see you guys in the next episode, and goodbye.